Hey, what's going on, my friends? It's your man, Adam Ace Spencer, and today I want to share with you the Amazon Prime Rewards credit card with Chase and Visa. As you can see, I got this bad boy at the end of last year, back in 2021, depending on when you watch this. So I'll elaborate when I say last year. And this has been one of my favorite credit cards. And, there's a few different reasons. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why I recommend this card to some of you out there. It might not be best for all of you, but some of you, this is absolutely a must have. Depending on how you spend and what type of things you buy and where you buy at. So we're going to dive into the details, the nitty gritty. But before we do, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date on all the latest and upcoming videos that I make on credit cards, credit, loans, and grants. And of course, like this video, smash that like button. It does help with the YouTube algorithm so other people will have a better chance to come across this video. And it lets me know you guys enjoy and appreciate this type of content. So we are here on Amazon. I pulled up the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card as well as their Amazon Rewards Visa card. They are similar, slightly different, depending on really the biggest difference is if you have a Amazon Prime membership. As you guys can see over here, the Amazon Rewards Visa card has a welcome bonus of $50, an Amazon gift card instantly upon approval, whereas the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card has a $100 Amazon gift card. Again, that is what I have, so I was able to benefit from this welcome bonus. Not too bad, not too bad. But the next most important critical thing that makes me say that if you should get this or not is if you are someone who shops at Whole Foods, the actual store, the marketplace, or on Amazon.com online. And for me, I kind of do both. I'm not really, I want to say I'm a big Whole Foods shopper. There is one fairly close, not that close to me, kind of close in Cambridge. And excuse me, there is one on the borderline of like Medford, Somerville, that's kind of close to me as well. And I stop by there sometimes when I'm driving by if I want to grab something from the food bar. But otherwise, I don't really shop there much. But I do frequently, or have at least in times, kind of in waves, do a lot of shopping on Amazon. And as you can see here, with the Prime membership under the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card, you get 5% back on any of those purchases. So when I go on Amazon, on Amazon.com, and I make that purchase for a new mic or some new equipment or something for one of my businesses, well, I get 5% back for those purchases. And same difference. Hey, maybe I'm stopping by Whole Foods to grab a quick little bite with a client, with a customer, and running to Whole Foods, 5% back. Not too bad. Definitely a game changer if you're someone who does a lot of spending at either of those two places. And keeping it moving, you can see you get everything else is the same here, where on the rewards for restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores, you're given 2% back for both cards, and rewards on all other purchases is 1% back. Now, there's no annual credit card fee, no foreign transaction fees, but the only other thing you'll notice here is bonus rewards at Amazon. And on the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card, you can see 10% back or more on select products. And if we come down here, they basically will have different quarters or whatnot, different periods of time where different products will have these different little bonus rewards thrown into the mix. So definitely a nice way to mix it up and continue to keep things exciting, keep you on your feet, keep you on your toes. But you might want to consider checking it out depending on what you are purchasing or your plans are for this month or this quarter, the time of the year, because they might have some pretty good deals there in the mix. Now, as you can see here, it says get it now and pay over time, interest free. Seriously, card members can choose percent back or 0% promo APR for 6 to 18 months on purchases that are $50 or more. And after the zero promo period, a variable APR of 14.49% to 22.49% applies. So it's cool that you actually have that option as to which route you would like to go. Again, depending on your situation, one or the other might be better. I believe for me, I just went with the percent back right from the jump. But again, depending on your particular situation, the other option might make more sense. And of course, you get other perks, other benefits that you're going to get from a premium credit card. So travel with confidence, explore the world with confidence. So there's no foreign transaction fees, as I mentioned, but then also travel and emergency assistance, lost luggage reimbursement, baggage delay insurance, and travel accident insurance. All clutch, things that we often don't really appreciate or value as much as we should until one of those situations arise where you need to rely on their lost luggage reimbursement or something of the sort. Keeping it moving, you can see protections for unexpected setbacks. So roadside dispatch auto, you got rental collision damage waiver, purchase protection, and of course extended warranty protection. And you have Visa signature perks. So your complimentary Visa signature concierge service is available 24/7 to assist with planning and booking. So when you have questions, you're trying to find the best, the hottest hotel in whatever a particular part of the world or country, well, you can utilize the Visa signature concierge for some of their support and suggestions. So definitely a card to consider applying for. I believe the recommended kind of credit range that is kind of thrown into the mix is about at a minimum, I think it's like 680 or 690. Anything above that, you pretty much should be good. Of course, and nothing I say is legal or financial advice, but I think that's pretty much kind of the range for these cards that is recommended. So again, the main thing here is to understand that to really benefit from the big rewards here, the 5% back, which may or may not be worth it depending on how much you spend with Amazon. Is going this route. Amazon Rewards Visa card alone is nice. You're still getting 3% back on those Amazon and Whole Foods purchases, but 5% back is even better. And, you might be someone who was already considering getting Amazon Prime. Me, I already had it. So this was a no-brainer for me. But again, depending on how much you spend or how much you purchase on Amazon, or if you watch movies on Amazon Prime, it might make more sense to go that route, or maybe not go that route. For me, like I said, I watch movies on Amazon Prime. I like to benefit from same day delivery and things like that. So I already had it, and the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card was a no-brainer. I believe the Amazon Prime membership is about $140 a year, maybe less for students. But again, depending on how much you spend there, that might be a no-brainer. And especially if you want to get some of your purchases like same day or next day really fast, I mean, again, it's a no-brainer, game changer. And I love this card. I've been using it fairly frequently, especially because I made a video talking about it. They had hooked up a 2% back or 3% back or something like that on like all my purchases for the first like 6 months or something. So I've been using this card. It's been kind of one of my top main cards that I was using for a bit. Now that period's over, and I don't know if they know I know, but of course I jump back into the mix and start to move my spending around so I can make sure I'm utilizing the best cards for the right expenses. So I'm not out here, using this card where I get 1% back on any other purchase, and another card might give me 2% back or 1.5% back on all my other purchases. All right. So that's the goal. You got to be strategic, got to be smart about it. This Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card might not make the most sense for you, and maybe the Amazon Rewards Visa card is best. I mean, everyone's different. You got to kind of evaluate your situation, your priorities, and kind of your money and whatnot. I love Amazon Prime. This was a no-brainer for me. Game changer. I love it, and I recommend it to you guys as well. All of that said, I definitely recommend it, or at least I recommend you guys checking it out. Do your appropriate due diligence, your research and whatnot, and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa card. Do you have it? Were you thinking about it but decided to go another route? Or did maybe you had it and just closed it down altogether and said, I'd rather not. Let me know. Leave a comment down below. I'm sure others would also benefit from your thoughts as well. And while you're down there, don't forget to smash that like button and, of course, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all of our latest and upcoming video content. But you guys already know I gotta keep it moving, but I'll see you in the next video. Peace.